This, I personally believe, is a language that we do not understand. Crop circles aren't just pretty patterns in a field, they might be messages from Earth or something way beyond what we can even comprehend. So, last week, as most of us are very aware of, on the 15th of May 2025, a new formation appeared near Sutton Veny in Wiltshire, or Wiltshire, however you want to pronounce it. It wasn't random, it showed a Celtic knot design, ancient, intricate, and deeply symbolic, but this one had a twist. The center wasn't a circle, it was a square. Celtic knots are known for their endless loops, symbolizing eternity, interconnection, and the idea that everything is part of the same cosmic web. They have no beginning, no end, just like life, energy, and spirit. But a square brings in something different. It represents structure, stability, the physical world, earth, foundation, matter. So this crop circle didn't just look nice, it had to have meant something. And seeing this brought me back to my previous video. Remember the one about sacred geometry? And I said that sacred geometry is a language we do not understand. But maybe these crop circles are part of that exact same language. Maybe they're not just art, they're a form of communication, a form of expression beyond words, made of vibration, intention, and universal code of some sort. There are ancient teachings that say this world is more like a dream, a veil, an illusion, and that most of us spend our lives disconnected from Earth and from our intuition, from the deeper truth. But sometimes I think that some things break through, like something like this, like a geometric signal, a symbol that bypasses logic and speaks straight to the soul. These designs mirror everything, spirals in DNA, somatic sound patterns, star alignments, ancient temples. They're not random, they're very precise, very intentional. And we are taught to dismiss them, because we know that a lot of people say that crop circles are hoaxes or pranks or weather tricks. Obviously, some crop circles were made by humans pulling pranks on people, but they weren't inspired by the real thing. What if these formations are invitations, not just to see, but to remember, to tune back into the harmony of all things, to realize this earth might be speaking, or maybe something is watching through the earth. Maybe it's a warning. Because if sacred geometry is a visual form of sound and consciousness, then maybe these crop circles are the whispers of a larger intelligence trying to wake us up or warn us. Some type of communication or vibrational imprint. I don't know, I'm just saying.